Equus Automotive, based in the US, has just unveiled its second model, dubbed the Throwback and created as a homage to classic Corvettes. Like the firm's Mustang-inspired base 770, the Equus Throwback provides a mix of modern and retro designs. With that in mind, there are side scallops, a set of secondary headlights up front and arches similar in shape to those of the C7 generation Corvette on which it is based. Other noteworthy Corvette design elements include a power bulge in the hood, circular taillights and 3 comically large circular tailpipes. Moving to the interior, and it too is very similar to the C7 but now benefits from a dose of Alcantara, diamond quilting on the seats and turned metal trim on the center console and door pulls. Beyond investing some serious time and money into the vehicle's interior and exterior designs, Equus Automotive has also ensured the Throwback offers performance fitting of the car that inspired it. As a result, the unspecified powertrain will deliver a cool 1,000 horsepower and 822 pounds-to-foot of torque in range-topping guise, allowing the creation to reach 60 miles per hour, 96 kilometers per hour, in a rapid 2.5 seconds and a top speed exceeding 220 miles per hour, 354 kilometers per hour. Just 25 units of the Equus Throwback are set to be produced, each priced at $130,000.